In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashcards in Trello. Dashcards are a powerful way to summarize activity on your board, like counting cards that match a certain filter or tracking progress at a glance. To use them, you first need to make sure the dashcards power-up is available on your board, and that's exactly what we're setting up now. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. If you're already logged in, you'll see all the boards you have access to in your workspace. Choose the board where you want to use dashcards. It's best to pick the board that contains the cards you want to measure, since dashcards pull data from the board they're installed on. If you don't see the right board, double check that you're in the correct workspace or that you've been invited to the board. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the board for the power-ups option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button on the board header or inside the board menu. Click it to open the power-ups panel. If you don't have permission to manage power-ups, you might need a board admin to do this part for you. Also note that some workspaces limit the number of power-ups per board based on their plan. In the power-ups panel, select Add Power-ups. This opens Trello's directory where you can browse and search for tools that extend your board's functionality. The directory can feel busy, so using the search bar is the fastest way forward. Type Dashcards into the search field. You should see the Dashcards power-up appear in the results. It's built by Trello, and it's designed specifically to surface metrics like counts and sums right on a card, which makes it great for quick status checks and lightweight reporting. If you're unsure it's the right one, you can open its details to read the description and see examples before installing. When you're ready, click Add. Trello may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and allow it. After a moment, the power-up will be added to your board. You'll typically see a confirmation message and a new dashcards option available on the board. That means you're set up and ready to use it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dashcards on your Trello board. From here, you can start exploring how dashcards visualize your board's data and streamline your daily check-ins. If anything doesn't appear as shown, refresh your board or verify your permissions with a workspace admin.